Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys tips and tricks for Instagram. Let's start. Intro. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here and hope you're having a good day. If you're not having a good day, I hope you can change that by you watching this video. I want to put a smile on your face. So let's get into the Instagram tips and tricks. Number one, Instagram stories. Instagram stories, you can do different things, and I'm here to show you what. So the Instagram story, we swipe, we go to create mode, and we see different happy birthday if today is your birthday. We see the quote of the day, we see the mention, God will. We see ask a question, we see schools out, we see what makes me happiest, we see the GIF, or rather the GIF. So we can search any GIF, but let me just do this question poll. Okay, what should I ask? Okay, let's see, pure bliss or crackers. And obviously, we do that, change the background color, and yes, it's ready. We add it to my story, and we can do other things with this same Instagram story. So second tip is the removal of IGTV. So Instagram, they decided to remove IGTV, but have no fear, this tech is here to help you now. So let me show you how they will still post your long videos, how you can still post your long videos. Let's go. So speaking about the removal of IGTV, we just tap this plus button. Obviously that's the button for posting. Then see, this video is like 9 minutes, so we go to next. So you either see the short video or the long video. So we just continue, and from that we literally just post. We can just go to next and we post our video. So that's it. The main IGTV button has gone, but we can still post our long video. Tip number 3 is dark mode. Instagram has introduced dark mode for a while now, so don't think dark mode is new. Instagram has released dark mode, and dark mode basically just turns your white background black, and it helps you save battery. And in the night you can use dark mode so your eyes will not pain you. That's what dark mode is for. If you don't be feeling fresh, in case you don't have dark mode on your phone, I've made a video on how you can get dark mode, so the link is down below. Check it out. And this is dark mode. The fourth tip is for my guys that like to delete their posts. There's actually something called archive. So it's not every time you must delete your Instagram post. If you don't want to delete it, but you don't want us to see it, just quickly archive the post, and I'll show you how you can do that. One is for those of you that like to delete your post. You must not necessarily delete your post. We can literally just archive it. So we click on this, and let's see the archive button. It loads. It's still loading, and it's still loading, and it's still loading. Oh my god, Airtel's network is so bad. Like, it's showing 4G, but Jesus Christ. And let's go back to my home, and we can see the post has been archived. So let's just move. Let's check our archived post, and we see the post here. And easy tip is to see your story reshares. And when I say see story reshares, so like when you post a picture, people actually like reshare the picture to their stories, but it's not everybody that tags you. Like, I don't know why they. If you are tagged now, let me acknowledge. But it's not everybody that will tag you, Sha. So I'm going to show you how you can still know the people that are sharing your post without them tagging you. English, so mad. I'm still on my IG page, so this is for story reshares. Let's open this post and let's view, and you can see this button here, see view story reshares. So let's tap it and see. There are current public. 2 people have currently reshared my story. like my post on their story, so we can see it here. Mind you, this only shows when your posts have been shared. Like you can see this, there's no view story shares, so you can see this, you can see view story shares. So that only happens when this sixth tip is for people that they just want to annoy you. Like, okay, the sixth tip is restricting comments, and this for people that will just see your post and want to annoy you and come and comment one kind of thing that will just like change your mood or want to, but don't allow them change your mood. Immediately you just see a comment like that, so you just quickly restrict the comments. And the good part about this is that they don't know you have restricted them, and nobody else will be able to see the comments, so it's only you. Yeah, you have restricted the person, so that's it. I was spending a lot of time on my profile, but I don't mind. Let's see. And this is for restricting comments. So let's open the post. Let's see. Let's view the comments. We wait for the comments to load, and let's say, okay, we hold this, we hold the person's comment down, and we tap this button, and let's see, we restrict. If we are restricting him, if, yeah, you see, only you can see their comment on your post. So yes, so the comment has been restricted. And let's see, let's unrestrict him. That's the good part about restricting, because the person doesn't know, rather, that. Yeah, quick shout out to my friend, my bro, my G. He's an Instagram comedian at Godwolu. I just use this medium to shout him out since I'm talking about Instagram, and he's an Instagram comedian. His latest video is in the description box below. The video, this guy, hey, he's funny. Hey, he's funny. Like, you guys should actually watch his name. God will see his face. And also follow me also at Uzis9. Follow me, Uzis9. Follow my other account too, Uzis9, Uzis9. Smash the like button, click the subscribe button, comment like which app do you want me to show you tips and tricks on next. Like, comment. And also, people that will come and watch my video, you will not comment, you will not like it. And today I'll give you Instagram tips and tricks. If you like, don't like it, knock. You will serve punishment, so you need to raise up. Sorry, this is just the Nigerian side of me. And the video has finished, so you guys can go. Bye.